Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Edel update for you guys. Edel had a bit of a pullback once again, but it has made a higher low. Pulled back down from 4.4 down to 2.7, and it's starting to climb up once again, back at 3 cents here. So Edel, in my opinion, is in a great spot. It's gonna start climbing up again. More likely than not, it will. Sitting at $14.54 million in market cap, 30 million FDV. Like I said before, I think Edel is a $1 billion project. I would not rule that out for Edel at all. The only other project in leagues with Edel is Ondo, and Ondo went to 30 billion FDV, 20 to 30 billion FDV, right? So me asking for a $1 billion to $5 billion FDV Edel is not asking much. The testnet is live. The protocol is being built. People have joined the testnet. People have used it. It's actually being built out as we speak, and there are bugs, etc., but people have been using it. They're seeing the stocks, they make their spin, they get a stock, and then they're able to lend and borrow against the stock. So the utility is being built out, and anyone that was trying to FUD or talk bad or talk down on Edel, well, as you could see, it's being built, guys. The testnet went off without a hitch, right? There weren't much complaints for the testnet. 8,600 followers. The community is growing. Edel Clipping Arena. So now they're trying to do different types of marketing strategies as well. But yeah, I'm here for the product, man. That's what I'm here for. And the testnet was great, in my opinion. All the people that were using the testnet was great. And yeah, man, still super bullish on Edel. I think Edel has massive upside ahead. So like I said before, man, you don't have to bet the bank on here. If you're wondering how much Edel is a good back, I think anywhere from $500 to $1,000 invested is great, man. If you have $500 invested in Edel, that's gonna be 16,641 Edel. 16,641 Edel tokens. At $1, you make 16K. At $5, you're making what, 60 to 70K, somewhere around there, right? Math is a bit off, but I think Edel is a $1 billion token, man. I really do think that's the case, despite all the negativity that I see sometimes with the pullbacks that happen on Edel. But as you can see, every time it has a pullback, people scoop those bottoms and then it starts to climb up again, right? It's just that's how it's gonna be. That's the case. That's what I think is gonna happen for Edel. It's just gonna keep growing and keep making higher lows. More people are gonna use it. By the time the mainnet is ready to go live, it's already at a very high market cap. So in my opinion, now is the time to get in, man. It's still just a tad bit up from my entry that I made in my video when I covered it again. 27 mil market cap, so now it's back at 30 mil market cap, right? $1,000 in Edel right here, 33,282 Edel, right? I think that's gonna go very far, guys, in my opinion. I really do think that's gonna go very far. Testnet, like I said, the team has built the product for you guys. You could test it. A lot of people are testing it. It's going very well. And then eventually there's gonna be the mainnet that goes live, right? So in my opinion, it's better to accumulate before the mainnet goes live. Don't wait until the mainnet is ready to go live, right? Accumulate now before that happens, because by the time the mainnet goes live, it's already sitting at 3 to 4 to 500 mil market cap. Okay, that's probably what's going to happen. Okay, so just be aware of that, guys. As always, thank y'all so much for tuning in. None of this is financial advice, and I'll catch you in the next one.